Section 2. Video 17. Forms Part 2. We have two main objectives in this video. 1. We will show you a text area element. 2. We will show you a select element. First, we will talk about the text area element. In HTML, a text area element defines its text by its children. We will show a quick example in public/index.html. You can see the text area in the browser. Let's remove the text area. Now, return to source/index.js. We will update our name form component to be an essay form component. We will set the initial state value to be a longer text string. In React, a text area uses a value attribute instead of children. We will modify the text input to be a text area. Notice that the state variable value is initialized in useState, so that the text area starts off with some text in it. Next, we will talk about the select element. In HTML, the select element creates a drop-down list. Within the select opening and closing tags, we can add drop-down list options. We will add a grapefruit option and a lime option and a coconut option, which will be selected by default, by using the selected attribute. And finally, a mango option. We will add a horizontal rule below the select element, save the file, and view our changes in the browser. Click on the select element to see the options. Note that the coconut option is initially selected, because of the selected attribute. We will now remove these changes, and return to source/index.js to implement it in React. We will update our essay form component to be a flavor form component. We will set the initial value to be coconut. And we will make some other small updates. Now, we will replace the text area with the select element. Instead of using the selected attribute, React uses a value attribute on the root select tag. Overall, this makes it so that input, text area, and select all work very similarly. They all accept a value attribute that you can use to implement a controlled component. Now, we will add the options. Test it in the browser. Note that you can pass an array into the value attribute, and you can also specify a multiple attribute, which allows you to select several options in a select tag. You can see the multiple selection in the browser. To summarize, We showed you a text area element. And, we showed you a select element. In the next video, we will complete our discussion of forms.